Hello to you all jewelry maker guys. Hope you're doing very well. Today we are going to make a very beautiful wire earring. If you want to know about more tutorials on how to make wire jewelries for yourself or for the one that you love or to sell, please subscribe this channel and be with me to learn a lot of your jewelries. For this tutorial, we need three types of wire. 1 millimeter wire for the main structure, zero point 0.4 or 0.5 millimeter in diameter for the weaving parts, and also zero point 0.8 wire to make the pin. Your main tools: round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. Some beads or stones for the decorative parts. This is the main structure that we are going to make with our 1 millimeter wire. So pick up your round nose pliers and 1 millimeter wire and start to making a loop with your round nose pliers and make a P shape like this. Then with a cylindrical shape, that could be your pen or pencil or any other kind of mandrel, with the diameter of about 1 centimeter, we are going to make a curve at this wire, and here make a bend on your wire and rotate it completely so that we would push the two parts like this. Then we make another curve and another petal and also another complete bend and another curve, so we would have three of them, and we could make these three petal like shape that the middle petal is a little bigger than the two others. And at the end we cut the wire out and make another loop, and we do that with our round nose pliers to make another P shape, just like this. And these two loops are going to be fixed on each other, and we are going to do that with our thinner wire of about 0.4 or 0.5. So with the thinner wire, we make a little wire coil to attach these two parts together. First we make a U shape, and then make a tie here by wrapping this wire and insert it back into these two loops. And then fasten it up and pull in the wire and repeat this for about 3 to 4 times. Now this is our main structure, and we are going to wrap some of our beads all around each curve that we had made. And to start adding the beads all around, first we pick up our thinner wire, insert it into one of these petals, and make a tie here just as we made a wire wrap just now. And we continue wrapping this thinner wire all around the main structure at least for 2 or 3 times to fasten these two parts, and then cut the other tail in about 5 to 6 centimeters. would pull this little wire coil in to the left, and I would do that left to right. So I insert my first bead in, and continue wrapping this wire, and if needed, use your round nose pliers to fasten it up. And do the wrapping at least for 2 times. Then, step by step, add 3 of these beads, and I'm using 2 colors, one black and one gold, to have a better look, but you could use any other colors that you desire. And then cut the extra wire out, and we would push it onto the main structure and close every wire so that there wouldn't be any sharp edges left. You should pay attention to this step. This is one of the most important parts of your work. We continue making these weaving parts and adding beads 3 times in every petal, and this is the time to make the pin that is going to be here, and we would have something like this. So pick up your pearl bead or stone that you desire, and also your 0.8 wire, then insert it into that piece and make a bend entirely and completely onto this stone or bead, and then keep it tight with your fingers and wrap the other tail all around it. And continue that for about 3 or 4 rows, something like this. Bend it a little, and here we need to make a 90-degree bend, and with our tool we would do this, and then cut it out in about 1 centimeters, or at the size that you desire. It's better to have a wire coil here to attach these rows together. And now this is the pin that is going through this part, and this would be our very beautiful wire earrings that has 2 parts. This part is going to be beneath part of the ear, and this is going to be the upper side. And also for the back, you could use some of these little plastic parts to prevent it from falling down in the ear. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial. If you make it, please let me know, and share your comments below. Thanks for watching. Love you so much. Take care, and bye-bye.